Hey fantastics, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ guys and welcome back. It has been a really long time and I know guys, I know I always say that I am back, but it's really just so much life is happening behind the scenes. I literally graduated, so congrats to me. Please comment down below, congrats Farhana. I finally graduated, and yeah, that graduation vlog is also coming really soon. So if you guys are excited, then make sure to give this video a like. And I am here, I am finally here guys. Like, so many of you guys have literally emailed me and told me to come and make no glue no borax slime recipes since all of you guys have summer breaks. And yeah guys, I am here for you, and today I'm testing all of your guys' recipes. So yeah, so you guys have suggested some recipes that you guys have commented in my previous videos, and you guys have provided me with the links. You guys are literally so sweet. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you guys want me to make slime recipes that you want me to test, then make sure to comment down below or give me the link below. Then I'll easily click on that link and try your recipe and see if that no glue no borax recipe is actually true or not. And let's try some no glue no borax recipes finally, since you guys have been asking for so long. Yeah guys, let's go. So the first recipe that we are trying today is from my last video, and in this video you guys have commented, and this was the comment, so shout out to you. And I think this is the same person that have emailed me, so yeah, thank you so much for your email. And I am finally back with the video, and if you guys haven't seen this video, then make sure to see that and give this video a like as well. And now let's see which slime video they want me to test.
Let's make no glue slime. First, take your clay and put it in a bowl. Add some water then knead. Add some more water until it becomes sticky. Next, add shaving cream and mix. And there you have it, no glue slime. Let's make no.
So as you guys have seen, this is the recipe that they want me to test. So now let's test the recipe. So I've got this clay, and it was really hard to find this clay, you guys, literally.
And मेरे भाई ने मेरे को बहुत डांटा, and I told him to find this from literally anywhere. I want this and I have to make this video for you guys. So yeah, we fought a little bit, but yeah, it's okay.
So make sure to give this video a like, because you guys don't know how hard it is to get these ingredients. But yeah, let's start. Let's open some clays and put it in our clear bowl. So let's take pink one, yellow, and let's mix orange. Let's make a nice color, you guys. Oh my god, this air dried clay texture is literally my favorite. It's almost a slime itself, like almost. Like, can you guys see how nice this texture is? Wow. Its texture is literally giving butter slime, you guys. But yeah, now let's mix all of our three clays. Enjoy the ASMR. Can you guys see that? It's already pretty slimy, you guys. and it is a really nice color. It's like blood orangish. But yeah, since we are testing a recipe, then let's add some water. But I really don't think we need any water. Let's add a very little amount and let's mix. I think my hand would be a better tool, but yeah. Water just makes it a bit messy. Okay, but the texture really improved. I feel like we don't really need to add shaving foam since the texture is literally perfect. But yeah, let's add it anyway. Just for funsies. Now let's mix. I really hope it does not ruin the slime. Okay, the texture is like more rippy. It's not that buttery smooth anymore, but it's really not like ruined or anything. I preferred the texture before we have added the shaving foam, but yeah, still nice, and it's more holdable now. It's like super light and airy, and wow, it will make amazing swirls. Like, you have to be like gentle with it, but yeah, otherwise, like, can you guys see how it ripped? You have to be like super gentle, but yeah, otherwise, like, can you guys see the texture? Oh my god, it's so smooth, amazing. Like, can you guys see that? Oh my god. It's literally amazing, you guys. So this first recipe is a hit. Yeah, the first recipe is a hit and I will give it a 9.5 out of 10. A no glue no borax slime doesn't get any better than this, you guys. Like, we literally made a 2-ingredient slime if it doesn't count water, and it's just so amazing. Literally works 100%. So yeah, that's it. So the next recipes are in this video. That was like birthday of my best friend. It's a vlog, so if you guys haven't seen that, make sure you go and see that vlog. It's like super aesthetic. So first recipe is from this follower, and let's see what they have sent us.
Is this soft soap antibacterial hand soap slime. Starting off, I added some of it into a container and then I sprinkled on some salt. Then I added some of this Tresemme shampoo. And then I mixed everything together until it was jiggly in texture. Added also a little bit more salt so that it could get a little bit thicker in texture.
Yeah, of course. More salt.
2 minutes until everything was fully combined. Then put this into the...
Salt literally makes everything more watery. It doesn't make sense that you can add, like, it was like more jiggly before he added any salt. Like, as you guys can see, it was like super jiggly, and then he added some salt.
Added also a little bit more salt so that it could get a little bit thicker in texture.
And it literally got super watery. So I don't know how this works, but yeah, fantastic. Send us this recipe, so we have to try it, and let's see.
About 5 or 6 minutes until everything's slime.
So
After 4 days, the slime was really cold and the slime was fully done because the salt fully dried out the shampoo and soap, and it was a super good icy cold.
So he's saying that salt dried out the shampoo and hand soap or whatever, but it doesn't do that. It only makes it more liquidy. But yeah, let's test it anyway, since our fantastic has sent us this recipe request. So yeah, let's try this recipe. So first, let's take a bowl and we are going to add some hand soap or hand wash. As you guys can see, it literally has the same texture that his hand soap has. And then he added some shampoo. So we are going to add our trusty shampoo. This shampoo actually makes No Glue No Borax slime with sugar. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll suggest you that in the description and in the I button. So yeah, check it out. And let's add our shampoo in this. Okay, so I think that's it. Now let's take our spoon and oh my god, can you guys see how pretty this looks? This is a rose spoon and these spoons are my favorite. If you guys want to buy these, I'll give you guys a link in the description of my Amazon shop. You guys can buy it from there. And yeah, now let's just mix it. So as you guys can see, as like I have mixed both of them, like the hand soap and the shampoo, it makes a thick mixture. Can you see the consistency? It's not that runny, it's quite thick actually. I hope you guys can see that. Now we are done. Let's add some salt. We have some regular salt and let's add it. Very little bit. And let's see what happens. Can you guys see that? It literally turned into a liquid. Can you see the consistency? And he added quite a lot of salt. So yeah, let's add a little bit more. And mix it just a little bit. So as you guys can see, this is how it looks. And now I'm gonna go and keep it in the refrigerator for 4 days. Let's see the results at the end of this video and let's try the third recipe now.